Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2025 Tahoe. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, wheel locks, remote engine start, power lift gate, stability control, tire pressure monitor. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, Bluetooth, heated steering wheel, smart device integration, keyless entry, adaptive cruise control, rear AC, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.